Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. Now, as you know, we are doing the second poem in English, that is Who Loved Best. Now, do you remember what we did in the previous video? Can you remember, students? Yes, very good. We had read the poem again. I had made you read each line 2 times, right? And then I had also showed you the animation of the poem. Okay, now what we are going to do today is that we will discuss the exercises of the I understand section. You know, at the end of each lesson, at end of each chapter, there is the I understand section in which you have to answer certain questions. So today we will be discussing the I understand section, okay? But before we do it, we will do a quick recap of the poem. I will just ask you questions so that you remember everything, okay? Okay, now let me ask you the first question. Now you tell me what were the names of the 3 children in the poem. There were 3 children in the poem. Now can you tell me their names, students? Just think. Yes, very good. It's very easy. The names of 3 children were John, Nell and Fan. Okay? The names of 3 children were John, Nell and Fan. Okay? Now tell me, did John help his mother? Did he help his mother? No, he did not help his mother. Okay. Now what he was supposed to do? Can you answer me? Yes, very good. John had to bring the wood from the forest. Okay. He had to bring the wood, but he did not do his work. Instead of that, do you know what he went to do? Where did he go? Instead of helping his mother bring the wood, where did he go? He went to play at the garden swing. Good. And so his mother had to do the work. Okay. Now tell me the name of the second child. I already asked you this question, right? What was the name of the second child? Good. The name of the second child was Nell. Okay. Now tell me, did she help her mother? Did she help her mother? No. Even Nell did not help her mother. Okay. Now tell me, what was Nell doing all the time? What was Nell doing all the time? Do you know what she was doing all the time? She did not go out, but what she was doing all the time? Yes, very good. She teased and pouted whole day. You know what is teased and pouted? I explained to you, she was making unhappy faces. She was making all unhappy faces. So she teased and pouted whole day. Why? Because she wanted to go out. So what her mother will do? Of course, she allowed her to go out because her mother did not like to see her unhappy face. So she allowed her to go out. So even Nell did not help her mother. Now can you tell me about Fan? The third child name is Fan, right? Now can you tell me, did Fan help her mother? Yes, very good. It was Fan who helped her mother. It was Fan who helped her mother. Okay. Now tell me, she did many things to help her mother. Okay. She did many things to help her mother. Can you tell me the first work she did? What did she do first to help her mother? Good. She rocked the babe to sleep. She rocked the babe to sleep. Means she put the baby to sleep. Okay. Okay, now this was the first thing she did. After putting the baby to sleep, what was the second thing she did? Can you tell me? Yes, good. After that, she took a broom in her hand and she swept the floor. She took a broom in her hand and she swept the floor. Okay. Okay, now she has swept the floor. Now she did one more thing. What was that? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. After she swept the floor with the broom, she dusted the whole room. Okay, dusted means with a cloth. When you just dust, you remove all the dust from the things. So that is called dusted. So she dusted the whole room. So she helped her mother a lot. Okay. Now, do you know when the 3 children went to bed? When they were going to sleep, what did they all say to their mother? Yes, very good. They all said, I love you, mother. And they went to sleep. But do you think, can you tell me, did all of them love their mother? Did they really? Who loved the mother truly? Who loved the mother truly? Can you answer me? Yes, very, very good. Fan loved her mother truly. Why? Because she not only said, I love you, mother, but she also helped a mother and she cared for a mother. Okay. So, if you really love your parents, then you also have to help them. Okay. You should help them. You should take care of them. Okay. So, you can say that Fan truly loved her mother because she cared for her mother and she helped her mother in all the ways she could. So, only saying in words is not important. Only showing your love in words is not important. Only you say I love you and it's over. It is not good. That is not okay. But if you truly love your parents, then you have to do something for them. You have to show your love to them by helping them and taking care of them and also being good children. Okay? So we have done a quick recap of the poem. Now I will be discussing the exercises of the I understand section. Okay students? Okay students, as you know, we are doing the fourth part, that is the fourth video of the second poem. Now we will just see the I understand section. Okay, here is the I understand section. I have given the exercise from the textbook. Can you see? This is exercise. This exercise is there in your textbook, that is true or false. I have just cropped it so that you get a better idea. See, this is the I understand section of your book. Now what you have to do, this is exercise A. Mark these statements as true or false. For true you have to write T and for false you have to write F. Can you see? There are boxes given to you and you have to write the answers. Okay. Now see the first one. Little John helped his mother by bringing the wood. Now did Little John help his mother in the poem? No, he did not help his mother. But here it is given that Little John helped his mother. So this sentence is not true. It is false. So I have written false. Okay. Now see the second one. Nell made unpleasant faces throughout the day. Now you know Nell, no? She was making faces, right? She made unpleasant, means unhappy faces throughout the day. Is it true? Yes, it is true because she was making faces. See the third one. Fan shouted loudly and woke Babe up. Okay, now did Fan shouted loudly and woke up the baby? No. What she did? She put the baby to sleep. But here what is given? Fan shouted loudly and woke the baby up. So this is a wrong sentence. So I have written false. Now see the fourth one. Fan walked happily around the house. Okay, now you know Fan, she helped her mother. She was whole day working. And was she making faces? No, she was not sad. She was not angry. She worked happily around the house. So this sentence is correct. So I have written true. Now see the last one. The three children again said, I love you, mother, before going to bed. Now before going to bed also the three children said, I love you. So is it correct? Yes students, it is correct. So I have written T. Now see, this is the exercise of your textbook. So when you all get your textbooks, okay, you will get your textbooks. Whenever you get your textbooks, you can just write these answers in your textbook with a pencil. You can write these answers in your textbook with a pencil. Do not use a pen. Okay, so no need of writing this in your notebook, because this sentences are already there in your textbook. Okay, so when you get your course book, you can just, when you get your books, you can just write these answers. Okay, so these were the answers of true or false. Okay, now I will show you the answers of the I understand section, that is the B part. Now B part is, you have to answer these questions. It is also there in your textbook, but this you have to write it in your notebook. Okay students, these answers you have to write it in your notebook because these are question answers. So you don't have sufficient place in your textbook. So these you have to write in your notebook. You have to copy it down neatly in your English notebook. Okay, now we will see the first question. Where did John go after putting on the cap? You know John had put on the cap. So do you know where he went? Very good. He went to the swing. So the answer is John went to play at the garden swing after putting on the cap. Okay. Where did he go to play? He went to play at the garden swing. So this is your first answer. See the second one, which is the second question. Why was mother happy when Nell went off to play? You know, Nell, she wanted to go to play. So why was mother happy when she went to play? The answer is mother was happy when Nell went off to play, as she teased and pouted while she was at home. Okay, you know, Nell, when she was at home, she did not help her mother. But what she was doing? She teased and pouted all the time. Teased and pouted means she was making unhappy faces all the time. So her mother also did not like. So when she went to play, her mother at last allowed her to go to play, and so the mother was happy, because even her mother did not like seeing her faces. Okay, so this is the answer to your second question. Now see the third one. Why was Fan happy that there was no school the whole day? Now you know, Fan's school was only half day, it was not whole day. So why was Fan very happy that there was no school for the whole day? The answer is Fan was happy that there was no school, as she could help her mother at home. So why she was happy there was no school whole day? So that she could help her mother. If there would be school whole day, then Fan would not be able to help her mother. Yes or no? So Fan was happy that there was no school, as she could help her mother. So these were the answers for the 3 questions. Now we will see the fourth one. The fourth one is, what did Fan do to help her mother? Now what all work did Fan do at home? Fan rocked the baby till it slept. Now you all know that first of all she rocked the baby till it slept. Then she also swept the floor. Yes or no? She took the broom, she swept the floor, and she dusted the room. So this was the work that she did to help her mother. Now the fifth one. Who do you think loved mother best? Do you think that just expressing our love in words is enough? So first you have to answer, who do you think loved mother best? Can you answer? Yes. The answer is, it was Fan who loved her mother best. Okay. Now why Fan loved her mother best? How can you say? Because she actually cared for her mother and helped her do the chores. Okay. Chores means, I explained to you know in the first video, chores means all the housework. So why she loved her mother? Because she actually cared for her mother and helped her do the chores. Okay, she helped her do all the chores. Now the second question is, do you think that just expressing our love in words is enough? This I explained to you. Yes, only saying I love you in words, is it enough? It is not enough to express our love just in words. So it is not enough. Only if you say I love you, it is not enough to your parents. But what? But we can truly show our love by helping and caring. But how can you show your love to your parents? You can show your love by helping and caring. Okay, students? So students, I have discussed the exercises of the I understand section. So today I will be discussing only 2 exercises, that is A and B. A is true or false and B was the question answers, that is answer these questions. Now true or false you can do when you get your textbooks. I already told you, right? You can do it when you get your textbook. You have to only write T and F. So you have to do it with a pencil. Okay, don't use a pen in your textbook. And question answers you have to write it in your English notebook in very good handwriting. Write the question also and write the answer also very neatly and very nicely. Okay, because it is for you. Okay, it is you who is going to read and learn. So if you do it dirty, then you will not even feel like reading. Yes or no? You will not feel like reading, and when the school will reopen, I will be checking your books. So please do it neatly so that you feel like reading. Okay, so do your work neatly. Okay, so students, this was my video for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, so thank you students. Okay, and the remaining exercises we will do in the next video. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.